welcome back to another video. Now I'm gonna teach you how to edit. I know you guys. One specific subscriber asked me that. So we are here. Let's go. Right, let's go. First, right, you are at CapCut, right? Right. You can also check for templates if you want to, but I barely do that. I am a goated man, look. Shit. Shit, my lag. I'm lagging. And this is you might need to sign in your email account here. Email account here. But this is how easy. You can just go for new video, pick anything because this is just a test. I'm just getting then this it will be my newest video today, like that. Right, it's the raw clip. It looks bad, right? Bad. You forgot to edit out any extra thing like me. You can just grab this and do this to delete the embarrassing part, like that. You are now finished with the good clip. You can also lower the CapCut thing. You can also add the audio here by clicking this. But technically I just search this thing specifically. Hwank JJK. Alright. When you go down, might try to find some good thing. This is my other one. This is the other one. I forgot where is the new one. It might be this. Yup. This is it. You can also add some text. You can also add fade out. You can add this like that. You can add it whenever you want. Right now I'm just putting it. If it's too small for you, if the edit is for you, you can just always delete it and change it to any sound again. Again, not forcing you to pick shit, but I am actually quite good at finding. That's on my breath. I like Tokyo. It's quite trash now. People think it's trash, so not putting that. I'm changing it now. This perfect. Get the raw. Get it now and get it. Then check it here. Go here. Then lower until you know until clip is here. You might put this like this, so you can the viewers can still hear after it. Then you can add some fade out and fade in. can also check if it's copyright. But I barely do. I do not do anything like that. You can also add text. Like me, you can just add this. You can add text, sticker, or draw. I just put in my classic Zyrel edit. Now I'm changing it to Laser edits. Laser edits. You can add these things too. You can lower it by putting your two hands. Just wet your hands. See that? That's perfect. Then you can add anything else. You can also add the water thing you said to me. You can add text. Like L S S R. Right, then you can get the text type like I think that's quite wrong for me. That's how other people put their edit name. But that's now mine technique because I'm replacing it. You can also do this. Text page, text. You can pick from so many things.
LASSER edits. LASSER
LOL. LOL.
LASSER edits.
You can also this, guys.
LASSER edits. Lebar ASSR edits.
I don't fucking understand. You can get English. Give me this.
LASSER edits. LASSER edits.
So many.
LASSER edits. LASSER edits. LASSER edits. NASSER edits. LASSER edits.
you can add that. So now we got this last edit. Then now I forgot shit. It doesn't actually give me aura. Volume.
LASSCR edits. LASSCR SCR edit.
Not gonna lie, that was aura. Then you can add some things like effects, like this video effects. This is mainly the jitterbox and heartbeat echo that I use because it's quite good, and these are my goats. Sometimes I get these, but so if you not want to pay any single thing, you can tata for better quality or right standard definition of resolution used for most TikTok videos, but I'm not TikTok. I ain't a TikTok video. You never need this. Or only need this for better high quality edits. But if you put it here, save space. Like what, bro? I put mine at maximum quality. Alright. Bye bye. So let's go on.